Hi there, this is Anant, your lean manufacturing consultant, and today in this video, I'm going to talk about the number one reason why lean implementation fails in most companies. According to me, with my 10 years of experience in this consulting field, is the lack of senior management commitment. The senior management think that their job is over just by hiring the consultant and introducing them to the middle management. No, to bring a change inside the company, first the senior management should change. The way this lean implementation or any implementation for that matter, any new change management program works is first the senior team should change. You cannot expect your subordinates or the junior level people to change without you changing, right? First they have to see, okay, my boss or my senior management has changed. Then only they will change. So everybody wants change, but nobody wants to change. That's the real problem. If it is a change management program, if you want to really change the mindset of people, if you want to change the culture of the company, the senior management should change. That's the number one reason why lean implementation fails across organizations.